I'll show you how I'm up potting my potted plant, my patio plant. So this plant has been toppling over for the past several weeks, and it also feels very light. So I can tell it's root bound, and yes, there it is. It's very, very root bound. So I'm gonna show you how I unwind this. So when you have a root bound plant, it makes it very difficult for the nutrients to be picked up. And as you can see, most of the soil was also gone from this plant. So you just want to go move the plant around, and you also want to loosen all these roots. Some people actually cut the roots, but I don't think that's really necessary. I like to just loosen my roots. You want to loosen the sides, you want to loosen the bottom, you want to make sure that nothing is wrapping around. You want to make sure that the plants can easily pick up the nutrients once you repot it. So I'm taking all the materials and the roots out of the pot, and I'm mixing everything together. This is a mix of like garden soil with azomite and vermiculite that I, just mix together. If you have potting soil, that's also perfect. So now I'm going to take some of the soil and lay it at the bottom. You want to make sure that when you place your plant, you get the plant up to the same level that the soil previously was. So by layering that the soil at the bottom is it's getting it up to the level. Now I'm just gonna go around and around and fill in all the gaps, fill in all the soil. Then I'm gonna water it well and then check the level again. Sometimes when you water it well, you find some little gaps. So I'm just gonna keep going until it's fully level. Then we should be all set. The pot that I'm using is about 1.5 to 2 times as wide as the previous pot. You always want to go bigger. And there you have it. She's back home and looking good.